Hi to all, this is Suresh Kumar from Kalabera Forecasting. Now we look today as per our auto trading trial is going on. So today you look right now time is 12:30. So as of now we are getting a profit of 3,300 something plus. So we already as I mentioned in my video we fixed the profit 5,555. So whenever it reach everything will quit out. So stay here. I will update you how it going to do. Okay. Now look, time is 12:36. Now 4,900 around it's running. So let us see. I want to show you a live how it's going to break. As of now, it's a paper trading. 4,900 is running. So 5,555. That is the level we need. So 5,282. So live updates. Now time is 12:36. 5,372. Today, due to some gap up, which gap up? The profit is delaying. That's it. So gap up and gap down stages we should be keep some aware. Sorry friends, now look. So 5,076 above 5,000 is sustaining. Hopefully we wait for 5,300 near it reached. Again it get down now. So some of stocks are profits, some of in loss. So overall we need that double five target. Now look, the time is 12:45. Now it's get down a little bit. 3,700 something is running. So I'm just updating time to time. So right now still we need another around 1,500 to 800 per rupees profit. So I'll update you. Keep on watch. Now look, again around 12:54 we are again reaching around 5,000 range. So we are just expecting another 400 to 500 rupees. Keep on wait. Again you look. It's two to three times it reached near to 5,200, 300. Again it came down. So very soon we are expecting that to hit the target. So this is how interesting is. Sometimes this might close 9:30 itself. Sometimes it will take time like this. So again saying this is the reason because of the gap up open. Okay. I will update you time by time. Now look. So I'm saying again it reaching 5,000 range. So little oscillation is going here. So anytime, any minute, any second, the accounts will close. So 5,270, 271 reached. So 5,900 again. So we need just an 200 to 300 point, 300 rupees. That's it. So any stock out of this 13 stocks is running now. Out of this, any one stock, if it hit that good profit, you can exit. Again, look 4,600. Let us see when it going to exit. So live time here running 12:56. Anyone can check the rate. What are the stocks is buy or sell, which is running now. You can check the rates, current price rate, everything you can check it out. So whether it is right or wrong as per my MSU software. So again 5,200 something, 200, 264, 292. So G So right, 5262, 271, 282, 400, 430, 498. See, 5498 maximum it reached, another 55 rupees. Again it missed. So this is a we can't do anything because we have everything's programmed here. Suppose we edit the total profit, then it will come out. So let's wait and watch. Second 5300, 5400. So right now it's sustaining above 5000. Any minute it can close. Chances are very high. Again 4009, 4800. So still we not reached our luckiest point. So we should wait now for some more minutes. So keep on watch. I will update it. That. Now look, time 1 o'clock, but profit is get down. So it reached 5498. Now again it went down. So but we should wait. Let us see how it's going to quit the trade today. Okay, so it's a time by time update. Stay with this. Now time you look 116. Now all profit wiped out. That is around 700 800 only profit running. We'll still wait. Okay, because still positions are there. So let us see how it's going to behave. Now friends, look, time 130. The profit is now running. Sorry friends. Now look, around 130 now time. The profit is running now 3300 something. So we missed a small edge. Now again it's moving up. Let us wait and watch. I will update time by time. Now look, time 145. The profit is running 2600. It's sustaining here. So let us see, every 15 minutes I will update here. So right now 145 time 2900 2800 is running. Okay, fine. Wait. Now time 154. We are reaching around again a 5000 benchmark. What is the target which we record? It's running now 5300 again one more time. So let us see this time whether we are achieving the profit or not. So 429 463 5004 5000 x excellent. Everything is finished. Now 5500 as profit is booked. Now look, closed data. All orders are closed. Total we took 24 orders, 14 trade is a profit, 10 is a loss. So net profit is 5537. So it's auto closed. We never did anything. Just a paper trade is going on. So keep watch, keep track with us. Very soon we are going to update our live session with our proper guidance. Okay. So we are right now making a rules to how to handle this. Okay, some preparation is going on. As soon as maximum 1 week we are coming to the live session. Okay, thank you very much.